Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. So because this is a scalping strategy, then definitely we are going to be increasing our lot size to make use of this strategy on the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see that this is volatility 75 index on the 1 minute time frame, and we are going to be learning how to make use of this sniper scalping strategy. Okay, we are going to be scalping with this strategy. All right, so we are not going to be staying long in the market. So the way we are going to do it is whenever we want to make use of this strategy, guys, we are going to increase our lot size. Okay, remember the least lot size on VIX 75 index is 0.001. okay, but I'll just go ahead now and close this trade and show you how to take a sniper entry whenever we want to make use of this powerful indicator. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to make use of just these three indicator to catch like a scalp in the market. Okay, we are going to be scalping using the black, the yellow, and the green moving average. Okay, so for those that want to scalp in the market, you can make use of this strategy. All right, you don't need to do any analysis, you don't need to analyze the market. Just make sure you know how to put this indicator on your chart, and then you'll be able to make use. Okay, but you also want to increase this your lot size, okay, so that you can make more money. All right, because when I close this trade now, you are going to see that our profit is not that much because of the lot size. But I'll just go ahead and close the trade and show you how I was able to spot this entry somewhere here. But you notice that the trade started playing out somewhere around here. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to catch this sniper entry and how to scalp using this strategy. All right, so what we want to do is let me just close this market so that the trade doesn't go against us, because this is, we are not going to be staying long in the market. This is just like like a scalp. Remember, market is about to start turning now. Market has created the first turn, and the market is creating like the second turn. So I'm just going to close this market, okay, because of I want to show you guys how to make use of this strategy. Okay, so you can see that if we want to make use of this strategy, we have to increase our lot size so that our profit can be more. Okay, guys, but I'll just close with this profit now. Okay, and so you can see that we are able to take this trade somewhere around here. So the goal of this strategy is to be able to catch like a spike in the market. So what we want to do first of all is to be able to add these three indicators on our chart. Okay, but before we add them up, I show you how to add them up, because the settings are different from the previous ones that I have shown us before. Okay, so I'm going to show us what I changed in this particular indicators. Okay, but how do we use this indicator? So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that whenever we want to make use of this indicator here, we want to see like a crossing. Okay, we want to see the black cross the yellow. Okay, and then when we see the black cross the yellow here, we do not enter the market yet. We want to see the black also crossing the green here. Okay, and then we want to see the yellow crossing the green also. Okay, so once these three moving average crosses together, then the next thing we want to see after these three moving averages crosses together, we want to see the candlestick crossing these three moving average, the black, the yellow, and the green. Okay, so we want to see our candlestick crossing above. Okay, and so when that happens, what we are going to do before we take a trade is to watch out and wait for this candlestick to come and touch the black moving average. Okay, so once the candlestick is able to touch this black moving average, then we can take a scalp. Okay, like a quick buy or sell in the market. So once it touches it, okay, don't be afraid, just take your um your buy here. Okay, remember we took our buy somewhere around here, but that was because we wanted to see that market was already forming like a green candle. Okay, but you can take like an aggressive entry here, which is for a buy and hold your trade. Okay, so you can decide to take maybe like 3 or 4 green candles, and then you can exit the market. Okay, so this is how we make use of this powerful strategy, and the same is also true for a sell. So here we are going to be looking for where our conditions are met. Okay, so you can see here now that market crossed somewhere around here. Okay, we can see the cross here. Okay, we can see the cross somewhere around here. Now one of the things you should notice is that we want to see the cross happening almost at the same time. Okay, and if you notice, that was what happened here. Okay, the cross happened almost at the same time with the candlestick here. But if you look at this particular place here, you will notice that the cross, okay, didn't happen almost at the same time. So we are going to be making use of this particular cross in here. Okay, you can see that they are close together, so you want the moving averages to be close together. Let them be almost close together here. Okay, like the first one we have here, you can see the crossing is almost together here at this shaded portion. But if you look at this particular one here, you will notice that the crossing is far apart. Okay, you can see that the crossing is far apart here. Okay, but if you look at this particular one here, you will notice that the crossing is almost together. So once you are able to see the crossing here, the yellow and the black and the green almost crossed together. You can see it. Okay, and when that happens, the next condition is to wait for the candlestick to cross below the 3 moving average. And once that happens, we want to see price coming back. Okay, we can see that price actually came back. It retraced and touched this black moving average. Okay, once it touches this black moving average, guys, you want to start selling now. All right, you want to start selling it, and you can see that market actually sold with just 2 candles, because these 2 candles are very long. So we can say they are like 4 candles. When you begin to compare them, like maybe they are divided into half. Okay, we can say they are like 4 candles, but actually it is 2 candles, guys. So this is how you see that market actually still retraced and sold here. So this is how we want to be looking for these opportunities, guys. So you can see that the crossing here also happened. Okay, they were close together. All right, so you want the crossing of the yellow, the black, the yellow and the green to be together. Okay, and then you want the candlestick to cross above. Once it crosses above, what you want to do is to wait. Okay, so once the market starts coming back, you can see that this particular candle here did not touch the black. Okay, it was this particular red candle that touched it. So immediately it touched it, you can decide to buy. Okay, but you saw that we didn't really buy for long, just 2 candles before the sell. So we can decide to manage our risk, guys, and manage our trade. So this is how we want to make use of these indicators in the market. So we'll just quickly show us how to add the indicators. So to be able to add the indicators here, you want to click on this particular icon there, and then for the first indicator here, we have our green moving average. Okay, so you can see the settings here, guys. So you just want to add the settings the way you see them on my screen, okay, and then you click on save. So for the next moving average, what we have is this particular settings here. So you can see that the period is 20, shift method linear weight apply to close, and then this is how the settings will be like, and then we can click on save. And then for the last moving average, our period is 12, our shift is 0, linear weight is our method, we apply to close, and then this is how we want to add it up on our screen, okay. So guys, you can click on save. Remember this strategy, you want to make use of it on the VIX 75 market and on the 1 minute time frame. So you can decide to check it out on VIX 25 if it works for you, VIX 10, and then VIX 50, guys. So if it works for you, then you can go ahead to use it on these three markets, but you just want to stick with the VIX 75 for now on your demo account and practice before going live and also trying other markets. So guys, cheers guys. I'll see us in our next trading video.